If you want to understand guest preferences, demographics, and spending habits to enhance guest experiences and marketing efforts, we recommend filtering your dashboards for the guest category and accessing the Guest Analytics dashboard. The Guest Analytics dashboard will show you frequency of guest returns, indicating loyalty, typical expenditure per guest across all products, average spend on non-ticket items like stock, gift cards, or add-ons. You can also see visitation broken down month over month and spend broken down month over month. Another report that will help you understand your guest demographics is the guest age distribution. To access this, navigate to Reports and filter for Guest. Then select Guest Age Distribution Report. You must be utilizing waivers for this report to work effectively for your account. This report will help you understand your guests' age profiles to align marketing strategies and product offerings effectively.